I am making peanut butter marshmallow fudge. So 2 cups of peanut butter right here. Got my chocolate chips here, and I need 1 cup of chocolate chips, so I'm just gonna measure in here. If you want more 2-ingredient fudge recipes, my Dining on a Dime, Volume 2. This is a test recipe for my new super easy candy and fudge recipes cookbook coming out hopefully in September of 2026. Okay, so we are going to melt this in the microwave. I'm going to add my mini marshmallows. I've got my pan. I'm lining with parchment. And what that's going to do is it's going to partially melt the marshmallows and chocolate chips and make it kind of swirly a little bit. So what I'm going to do is take some marshmallows and decorate the top of the pan with chocolate chips. And sprinkle those on top. And just tap it all down. Okay, now we're going to set this in the refrigerator and let it set up. Got my peanut butter marshmallow here. Now I have a feeling this one's going to be a little soft. Or not. Oh, yum. Okay, this is on the soft side, so you'll have to store it in the refrigerator. But oh my goodness, that is delicious. Oh, yum.